don't. That is the main point. They don't orbit the same way. You'll read in books, this is correct atomic model. Thomson gave it wrong. Rutherford gave it wrong. Bohr gave it right. No, he didn't give it right. Bohr's atomic, everywhere, even you search atom on Google, then the pictures that you will see are the wrong pictures. Atoms don't look like that. How you have the nucleus at the center and all around in 3D you have the electrons orbiting the nucleus the way planets orbit the sun. They don't orbit that way. It is not a solar system model. I mean, it is a solar system model, but it is not the correct model. Electrons don't orbit as particles. In fact, they don't orbit them like planets orbit the sun. Electrons are basically orbiting like fog around the nucleus. Atoms don't look like that. Where's my note? See what is happening, that electrons behave like fog around the nucleus. You have nucleus right here, so you won't have this kind of shell right here, this orbital, and where electrons are basically going in circular motion around the nucleus.
Okay, 1915.
Yeah, it was proposed in 1915. Quantum mechanics came, in fact, after that. It started from 1900s, and actually came to its peak at like 1927. Because then Heisenberg gave the uncertainty principle. He gave uncertainty principle. You cannot know both the position and momentum of electrons simultaneously accurately enough. So you see that Bohr's model is actually wrong. Many persons even know, but they still think that atom looks like that. What pictures you see, it doesn't look like that. The quantum mechanical model of atom tells you have the nucleus at the center, and around that you don't have these kind of orbitals that are basically circles around the nucleus, and electrons are particles going in circles. That is not the kind of motion. What is the actual motion? You have the nucleus at the center, and around the nucleus you have fog. What fog is that? That is basically the electrons behaving as webs. Electrons behaving as web packets around the nucleus, and they are going here and there. They are in energy, basically energy states. They have their energy levels, of course they have. But even for one energy level, they have this distribution around this space right here. If you are to take same thing in the solar system,